How to hide likes and comments from friends on Instagram. Instagram has a few settings that can help control how your activity appears to other people. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Use the search bar in Settings and search for Activity in Friends tab. Tap the option and set it to No One. This prevents your liked or commented reels from appearing in the Friends tab. Now, go back to the Settings search bar and search for Like and Share Counts. Tap the option and turn on Hide Like and Share Counts. This hides the number of likes and shares on posts and reels from your view. If you want to hide the like count on your own posts or reels, you can also use the option available in the advanced settings before sharing. Next, go back to the search bar and search for Comments. Tap Comments. Under Who can comment on your posts and reels, choose who you're comfortable allowing to comment, such as everyone, your followers, or people you follow. You can also turn commenting off if that option is available. Keep in mind that making your Instagram account private does not hide your likes and comments from your approved followers. The Friends tab setting is what helps prevent your liked or commented reels from appearing there. And that's how you can hide your likes and comments from friends on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Instagram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.